In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your background in Asana. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to make sure your new look is applied correctly. First, open Asana and head directly to the area you want to customize. This could be a specific project board, your My Tasks view, a team space, or a portfolio, wherever you want the new background or theme to appear. It helps to decide this upfront because backgrounds and themes can be scoped differently depending on where you are. Make sure you're in the right workspace and view so you see the correct options. Next, look for the Customize or Appearance settings. In many project views, you'll see a Customize button in the upper right corner. If your layout doesn't show that button, check for an Appearance or Display option in the View's toolbar, or open the menu associated with the current view. The exact label can vary, but you're looking for the place where Asana lets you adjust how things look. Inside those settings, find the option for background, theme, or color. It might be listed as background, theme, color, or appearance, and sometimes it's grouped under display. If you don't see it immediately, scroll the settings panel or expand any sections related to visuals or personalization. Now choose the background or color you prefer. You may see solid color themes, gradients, or background images along with previews so you can gauge contrast and readability. Pick something that keeps your tasks and sections easy to see. If you collaborate with others, consider a high contrast option that's friendly for everyone. Or align the color with your team's conventions to make projects instantly recognizable. Apply the change. In some layouts, your selection applies instantly. In others, you may need to click Apply, Save, or Done. If there's an on-off toggle for the background, make sure it's enabled. Finally, check your board or workspace to confirm the new background is visible. Switch between views like board, list, or calendar to ensure the change holds everywhere you expect. If it doesn't appear right away, refresh your browser or reopen the project. If you're working with a team and others don't see the update, it may be a personal display change, or your permissions may limit what you can edit. Feature availability can vary by plan or Asana updates, so if the option is missing, consult Asana's latest help resources. That's it. Open the right area, access, customize, or appearance, select your background or color, apply, and verify it's live. Enjoy your refreshed Asana workspace.